Hey, how's it going? Anna Malimon here, and today I want to share with you where in the world would you find on how to learn about affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing, how to truly apply it in your business. You hear about what it is, and you hear about where to find if a I talked about this where to find if a company does have an affiliate program, so you know where these things are. But how do you really do it? How do you get paid? How do you get that link? So, where do you even start learning? And I want to direct your attention to a few really, really cool trainings. And one of them, I will share my screen with you and show you where specifically you can find access. And the very first thing, and it's completely free. I want you to know that. So, this is eLifeBOSS.com, and it's just like this eLifeBOSS.com. And you'll find out all about what eLifeBOSS is all about. And yes, I am the founder. And once you go to up in this menu sessions under the solutions, you'll see resources. When you select resources, the very first one here, and obviously when you're watching this video, I have a few, but I am adding more and more. But at this time, 7 steps to freedom. This is where you want to go first. Just select learn more about the 7 steps, and you're going to be taken to a place where you get to create a free account and go through the 7 steps. First of all, why do I recommend this is because not only are you going to learn about affiliate marketing, but you're also going to learn about it the right way, starting with having the right mindset and all the details before. Because if you're going to start off the wrong way, you're not going to have the right attitude, you're not going to see success regardless of what company you're going to go to and what product you're going to be selecting. And it just, everything starts with that, and you will truly understand it once you start going through the steps. So I recommend that you go through the steps. They're completely free. Another place I would recommend is it's called affiliate boss now is the link, and I'll link them in the description. But this is a free training. It is filled with amazing information that you're not going to find anywhere. No one is sharing this, but this is how you can make big money with affiliate marketing. This right here training is called How to Create and Launch a Wildly Profitable Affiliate Marketing Business in 30 Days and Make 5,000 or a whole lot more step by step. See a detailed breakdown of my 11K per day system with step-by-step training, perfect for beginners too. So if you have no idea what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and all the ins and outs, this is where you want to start, because this 8-figure earner, he is going to be the one teaching you this class. And all you have to do is just register and go through it, and you're going to learn so much. You will find how to find great products to promote, where to find them, how to set up a 6-figure marketing system. So you're going to see all the details of the system that we are using and that they're presenting there, and how to get high quality traffic fast. How are you going to get people to see what you have to offer? You need to know that information, because without customers, you don't have a business. So I will link these in the description below. So you'll see them. You know all about eLifeBoss.com, and now you'll know about affiliate boss now.com. And you will see these free trainings. That is where you can start learning, start implementing, and applying this in your life, because this is going to be life changing for you. All right. Thanks so much for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel and enjoy the trainings that we have provided for you. And don't forget, stay awesome.